Hey everyone, and welcome to this robotic gripper tutorial in SolidWorks. In this tutorial we will learn how to model this gripper link number 3 in SolidWorks. So let's begin. So I will open this gripper link number 2 which we have created in our previous tutorial, and I will hit the open button. Now before making any changes, I will go to file, I will click on save as, and I will save this link as gripper link number 3, and I will hit the enter button. Now I will drag this design tree a little bit up until here. So we have got this design. So here we have got the cut extrude. So I will drop down and I will click on the edit sketch from here. And this is the sketch which we have created in our previous tutorial. So we will modify this sketch. So I will select this entire sketch and I will click on the delete button, because we want to create a new sketch here. So for reference, I will create a center line from this yellow point to this yellow point. These are basically the coordinates of the circle. Again, I will select the center line, and from this center point to here I will create a center line, and again I will create another one like this. Okay, now I will select the smart dimensioning tool. I will specify the angle between these two lines as 15 degree and the angle between these two lines as 30 degree. Okay, now I will create another center line from this midpoint to here, and I will specify the length of this line in this direction. So this is going to be 4.21, and then I will specify the angle between these two lines as 15 degree. Okay, so our reference sketch is ready. So I will select the 3-point arc from here, and I will create here a 3-point arc like this. Okay, I will select the smart dimensioning tool. I will specify the radius of this arc as 0.75 millimeter. Then I will select these 2 points and I will specify the dimension in this direction. So this is going to be 1.1 millimeter. Okay, now I will select the line and I will create a line like this. Then I will select this point and select the first relation, which is the tangent relation. After that, I will specify the length of this line in this direction. So this is going to be 0.25 millimeters. I will adjust these dimensions. Okay, now I will select the 3-point arc and I will create a 3-point arc like this, and I will specify this relation as tangent. The radius of this arc is going to be 0.61 millimeters, and the sketch is fully defined as you can see it from here. Now I will select the mirror entities, and in this very window I will select these two arcs and the line 1 2 3, and in mirror about window I will select this window, and then I will select this reference center line. So we need to delete these box type relations, this box type relation and this box type relation, to get rid of overdefined problem. And then I will create another 3-point arc beyond this boundary like this. Okay, now if I exit the sketch from here, this profile has been created. Now we can drag this tree like this, and the link number 3 is ready. Only there is a problem. So if I edit the sketch from here where we have got the error, so if I select this point, and we only need to delete this relation, not the line, just the relation, and similarly from here as well, delete this relation yellow colored, and now simply exit the sketch, and now the link is ready. So since we have already saved this part previously, now only we have to click on the save button, and this is saved as gripper link number 3. And that's all for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.